Today I will talk about meditation. Somebody asked me, Sir, personally for me, meditation is like being at, I call it ground state for myself. When I am not feeling myself, as in, I'm not happy, I'm not even sad, I'm just there. Maybe I am not just there. When I am not thinking about a lot of things, or maybe I am not thinking about anything, but you can see, okay, I have switched on my net. At the moment I turn on my net, there will be lots of messages on my phone. So I avoid that first thing in the morning to keep myself fresh. But the moment I do that, I just feel that the world is putting a lot of weight over me. Then I said, so either throw away your phone, permanently disconnected your net. Then he said, I do feel like doing that. Then I said, no, you feel like doing that, but you will never do that. So if you will never do that, then you better figure out a way to coexist with peace, with some of that. I said some of that because in peace, a lot of that will become irrelevant and you will not need it. Only that part of the messages or the worldly connects is going to remain. That is really useful and auspicious. Not switching on the net is no solution at all, because we are born into the net like itself is the net. You really have no option to never switch it on. Sooner than later, it will be switched on. Even if you keep it switched off in one way, it's already switched on in several other ways. So you have to remain meditative in the middle of the net. And that can happen only when the mind is in love. The mind is in a very subtle love. Remembrance of something that's far more valuable than any of these things outside of us. You look at anything and it's not tempting enough, not promising enough. Obviously, things have their utility, their value, their practical functionalities. So we have things for that purpose. But things are not love. Then he said, okay, it means loving simplicity in a way that other things can't tempt you. Then I said, you are coming closer. Yes. He said, no, I'm not even thinking about anything. Then I said, that's how you get glimpses. And these glimpses are the opportunity to fall in love.